Open a browser. Enter the IP address of your Wi-Fi repeater. Repeater mode or AP mode. Follow these steps to set up your Wi-Fi repeater. Connect to your Wi-Fi repeater. Network details. This is the default IP address of the device. It is also printed on the device. Open a browser. Google Chrome. In default mode, the browser encounters an error when you set up the device. New Incognito tab. Therefore, use private mode. Enter the IP address in the address bar. 192.168.11.1, go. Select mode. Repeater mode or AP mode. Repeat mode. Scan for surrounding wireless networks. I connected to the wireless network named Netgear. The password is 123456778. Enter the password of your main router in this box. Change the wireless network name or leave it as default. I left it as default. These are the steps to set up your Wi-Fi repeater. Good luck.